Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to verify identity on Revolut. So let's get into the video. So firstly, if you have just registered or signed up on Revolut, then you would have created your account, but you may need to verify your identity in order to fully access the features of the app. So for example, let me log in into my Revolut. So I'm just going to log in. So let me log in. All right, so once you've created your account, so when you're on your home page here, what you're going to do to verify your identity, on your top left here you have your profile icon. So click on it. Then once you click on your profile icon here, scroll down and you will see an option called account. So click on account. So under account you will see personal details. Click on personal details. Here you should have the option to, there will be an option to verify identity. Since mine, I have already verified my account, I don't have that option here, but you should have an option to verify. So all you have to do is just click on that verify identity option. So once you click on it, you just have to provide the photo of any of your government IDs, such as your passport or driving license or any such IDs, and also a selfie photo of yours. Just take a selfie of yours and then submit those two documents, and then Revolut will access those documents, and then they will process it and your account will be verified. So once verified, you will see something like this here, where you will see all your personal information here, and you can edit it if you want to. So it's pretty easy and straightforward, the process is. So all you need is just two photos of your ID and a selfie photo. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.